Hey guys, welcome to today's videos. In this video, we are going to unbox Bissel cordless vacuums. We're going to open up the package, we're going to see what's inside the package, and we're going to see how compatible is it. First thing you notice when you open up the package, we're going to put this aside. Then right here, as you can see, you got your registration. You can either mail the card or you can actually do it online. Do it online is 3 simple steps. And here is your owner manuals right here. You got your number 1 is your power button, number 2 power light, number 3 vacuum body, number 4 your third pins. And right here page 3, what's inside the package, what's inside the box. Another one, page 3, charging batteries, using your hand vacuums, all those good stuff inside this owner manuals. As you can see right here, your first page, you got your base machine, filters, stand, and your tool, charging cord, how to charge it, insert your USB-C on back of the cordless vacuum. Take about 3.5 hours to charge. It got indicator light. 3 lights mean fully charged, 1 light mean low on powers, and charging required mean 1 blinking light. And the next page you see right here, using your hand vacuum, so unplug it, remove from the base stand, and press the power buttons. Make sure the power buttons, let me zoom this closer for you guys right there. So make sure the machine is turned off, then you attach the tool, then power back on to use it. Emptying the third pins right there, you twist it open, you take off the filters, you twist the filters, and you go clean it real thoroughly. And once it's fully dry, put it back in. And that's basically it for that. And right there, they give you a spare filters right here. Looking pretty nice, spare filters. And what's inside of it right here, you got your USB to USB-C, as you can see right there. And you got your tool right here. This is a 2-in-1 tool. You can either use this one if you wanted to use a brush. Press this, slide it out, then you use a brush. And if you don't want to use a brush anymore, press it, put it back in. Simple as that. You got your vacuum right here with your station right here. This is your station. Twist it and it come off just like that. And basically very simple. Right here you get your power button right here. This is where your vent come out, and your vent come out this way too. Very nice suction. Alright, so what we're going to do is, it said right here, do not vacuum, do not suck in the waters or else it will damage the machine. As you turn sideways right here, it has the lock and unlock button right there. Twist it. Pop it open right there. And right here, this is the filter. Pop it just like that. And to take out this, there is the instruction right there, lock and unlocked. So you twist it this side to unlock, take out, clean this one, clean it thoroughly, put it back in, lock it back up just like that, put it back in here just like that, and you twist it back in here. So follow the arrows. Where are you? Right here. Put it back in here. Hear that clicking, and that's basically it. And to use the tool, turn off the machine first, attach the tool right here. Just like that. There we go. And then, see, just like that. Simple. So that is basically it. So you press this power button right here. You suck it up whatever you need. There we go. And that's it. And then take this tool back in, back out, and you're basically done. And when you wanted to charge it, there's a charging right there. Put this thing down like this, and it'll stay on there, and then you just leave it, let it charge. That's basically it for this cordless vacuum. What you guys think about this product? Let me know in the comment below. And thank you for checking out my videos, and you guys have a great day.